Imagine scrolling through a sea of videos, each competing for your attention. In that moment, it's the thumbnail that catches your eye, drawing you in. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Adult, your go-to place for incredible tech tips, mind-blowing tricks, and the latest in the world of technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, head over to Google and search for the platform you want to use. Click on the first link and you'll be taken to the website. Once there, sign up using your Google account details. After signing up, describe the video for which you're creating the thumbnail. This will help the AI understand the context. Once you've written your description, adjust the options provided to suit your thumbnail needs. When everything is set, click the Generate button and wait a moment while the AI works its magic. After a brief wait, you'll receive multiple thumbnail options. Pick the one that best fits your video, then download it to your device. And just like that, your AI-generated thumbnail is ready to grab attention and boost views on your videos. Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technodol platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease.